Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. My name is Love and welcome back to the channel. So today I have came up with a private job update. The name of the organization is Fronius India Private Limited. It is an Austrian multinational company which works in the field of welding technology, photovoltaics and battery charging technologies. So this was something about this organization. Now the job update will be applicable for both experienced and fresher diploma candidates, but the eligible discipline will be mechanical and electrical only. Now application link is given in the description box of this video and you will have to click on that link and you will reach the interface that I am showing to right now, and we have reached the official careers page of this organization where we will have to click on our jobs and then wait for some time, and this kind of interface will be opened where we will have to select our country, that is India, and after that you will have to click on search tab. And as you can see in the screen, lots of vacancies have came recently in this organization, but I will discuss that job title for which freshers can also apply. So I am clicking on this. Now wait for some time and this kind of interface will be opened where you can see the name of the job title is Trainee Sales PW, and this will be a full-time permanent job and your job location will be Pune. Now next, so the company is looking for dynamic diploma engineers with less than 1 year of experience who will be responsible for supporting teams with various tasks related to sales and technical support. The successful candidate will play an integral role in building and engaging the company's customer base and will also have the multiple opportunities to learn and grow on both technical and sales front. Now this will be a third party payroll under an internship for a period of 2 years, after which you will be absorbed in the organization on the basis of performance during the training period. So keep this in mind before applying for this job. Now job responsibilities will be supporting sales team with tasks related to sales support such as follow up with customers, shadowing service engineers to learn the basics of welding and good maintenance practice of welding equipments, and so on. So you can go through the following points. These will be your responsibilities in this organization. Now coming to eligible qualification and desired skills required. So either fresher diploma in mechanical or electrical or a maximum of 1 year of welding related work experience can apply for this job update. That means both freshers and experienced candidates can apply, and experience may vary from 0 to 1 year and experience should be welding related. Now the skills required are good communication skills and basic computer skills like email writing and MS Office. So this was the description about the job title. Now how to apply? You will have to click on this apply tab. After clicking on this apply tab, this kind of interface will be opened where if you have previously applied in this organization, then you will have to enter your email ID and password and click on sign in. And if you are applying for the first time in this organization, then you will have to create an account by clicking here and enter your email ID and password and then again sign in. After signing in, you will have to enter your personal informations, your resume and your experience if you have, and then click on submit button and your application will be sent. So in this way you can apply for this, and this was the job update that I wanted to discuss with all of you. Now one more point I want to mention here is that some links of motivational books, GATE previous year book and some equipments are given in the description box of this video. So if you want to buy, then you can buy from those links. Now if you like the content and want these kind of job updates, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with new job update. Till then, goodbye, take care.